If verb 1, verb 2 and verb 5 are used in the sentences, we do not get their helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. That is why we discussed in the last video. If we get verb 1, verb 2 and verb 5 in the sentences, what will be the question stacks for all those questions? No worries. If we get verb 1, we must use their do plus not don't, because do is known as the form of verb 1. Likewise, verb 2 did. Likewise, verb 5 does. I been. If we get verb 1, we must use their don't. If we get their verb 2, we must use their didn't. If we get verb 5, we must use their doesn't. Let me show you some examples. If we get here do, did, does, it means that this is verb 1 and this is verb 2 and this is verb 5. I mean, for example, I do my home assignment. See, and again, I did my home assignment. And again, she does her home assignment. We as students get confused in these questions. Yes, but here it is worked or it is used as main verb. It is used as verb 2. It is used as verb 5. It means that all these forms of verbs are not used as helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Try to understand. And as you know that when you convert the sentences, if there are verb 1, verb 2 and verb 5, don't, didn't and doesn't. Try to understand. And here it is used as main verb, verb 1. So here we must write here what? Don't I. Okay, because again I would like to tell you that it is worked as a main verb. It isn't worked as auxiliary verb or helping verb here. It is worked as main verb. It is worked as main verb. What is the question stack of this question? Did, verb 2, so does, verb 5, so doesn't. I would like to tell you that I didn't copy this one. I didn't copy this one. And I didn't copy it either. I have written there because of verb 1. As you know that verb 1 takes don't, did, didn't. As you know that verb 2 takes didn't. As you know that verb 5 takes doesn't. Okay, we students get confused here. May not. It does not have contraction form. Okay, this may not does not have a contraction form. Yes, so this may and then after not cannot be contracted. So we must write here. Suppose that the question is I may I may join my class. What is the answer of this question? What is the question tag of this question? May, mayn't I? Mayn't I? No. As I told you, it does not have. May and may plus not, it does not have contraction. Means those may plus not cannot be contracted. So here we have to write as an answer, may I not. See, it seems odd, unnatural, but what to do? English has such kind of rules. So here it does not have contraction. So we have to write here auxiliary verb or helping verb, subject, and then after not. So may I not. Okay. So like that we get confused here. I used to run 5 kilometers every day. Habit action it is, okay? It's a habit action. So here I used to run 5 kilometers every day. I used to run 5 kilometers every day. So here let us understand what is this. As you know that it's an helping verb, yes, but it is what? Verb 2. What is this? Verb 2. So as we discussed before, when we get verb 2 in the sentences, in the statements, what must be the tag? What? Yes, didn't. What? Didn't. So it is verb 2. Try to understand. It is verb 2. So here, didn't. Didn't I? Why I said you? Do you know the reason? Because as we studied and as we have been taught by the teachers, if we get auxiliary verbs or helping verbs in the statements and then after check that and by yourself are they or not, and then after contract them like isn't. If you talk about auxiliary verb or helping verb, but again I would like to tell you that it is used as main verb and this is verb 2. That is why didn't I have to write, we have to write there. Didn't I? Okay, okay. Because again, I would like to tell you that most of the students uh, have been taught that when you get auxiliary verb in the sentences, auxiliary verb take, and then after write their not, and then after contract them, and then after write their subject means pronouns. In this way, we have been taught. Okay, so that this is this is main verb and this is verb 2. So again, most of the students get confused in such question. I ought to follow rules and regulations. I ought to follow rules and regulations. Means that what is this? Yes, this is an auxiliary verb. This is an helping verb. Yes, semi-modal verb. So here it is worked as auxiliary verb or a helping verb. So here we must write here ought and then after not, oughtn't I plus not. What happens? Remember that. When you get auxiliary verbs or helping verbs in the sentences, we feel very easy at that time, at that time, isn't it? So here, uh, We dare. We dare to speak. Again, we have been taught and we have studied this is helping verb, this is an helping verb, this is an auxiliary verb. Yes, but it is used as a main verb here. It is used as main verb here. So here this is verb 1. This is verb 1. So don't we. If you get she dares to speak. Say what is this? What is this? Dares means verb 5. So doesn't she. Suppose that he dared to speak. What is this now? Verb 2. So verb 2 means didn't. So here didn't. Didn't. Okay.